Dewalt have dropped a brand new 1/2-inch mid-torque wrench on us, but don't let the mid-torque bit in the name put you off. This wrench is thumping, boasting 812 Newton meters of fastening torque and a whopping 1,152 Newton meters of nut-busting torque, which absolutely wallops its predecessor in the 894. And you see that in the performance when you see them side by side. In the lighter sustained load here, it performed 19% faster than its predecessor, while under the heavier load fastening into concrete, it was 40% faster. In terms of controls, the wrench has got 4 speed modes. The first 3, low, middle, and high. For the 3 speed modes going forward, it increases the speed, the impacts per minute, and the max torque, while in reverse, they're all the same. The 4th mode is precision mode, and in precision mode, while going forwards, it goes at max speed until it detects impacting, at which point it cuts power for half a second. This is to stop you over tightening. And then after that half a second pause, it goes absolute full tilt, max impacts, max torque, until you let go of the trigger. While in reverse precision mode, it starts out full tilt, 3,250 impacts per minute, but the second that it detects the fastener has broken free, it stops impacting, it slows the speed down so you don't drop your nut. And despite packing a wallop, the mid-torque wrench, as you can see it in my hand, is still quite compact in size, so you can get it into a fairly tight space. There's plenty of rubber overmolds everywhere you're going to touch the tool, so it's nice and comfy, and there's a variable speed trigger for control. It's got a nice bright work light that you can toggle off, and there's 2 brightness settings on that work light as well. And while we've been looking at the DCF891, which has a hog ring up the front, they've also released the DCF892, which has got the detent pin as well. They're both available now at your local Sydney Tools store, so you can go check them out, or go to sydneytools.com.au for more information. If you've got any questions about this new mid-torque wrench, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.